In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Steam group. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to become part of communities that match your interests. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer, or head to the official Steam website in your browser. If you don't have the app yet, download and install it first. Then sign into your account. Make sure you're on the real Steam site or app and keep your login details private. Once you're signed in, look to the top of the page for your profile name. Click it to open a drop-down menu. From there, choose Groups. This takes you straight to the Steam Groups section, where you can browse what you're already part of or start looking for new communities. Next, click Find a Group, or use the search bar if you already have a group name or keywords in mind. Typing in the name of a game, a genre, or a type of event you're interested in is a great way to narrow things down. If your first search is too broad, try adding more specific terms to refine the results. Browse through the list and look for groups that match what you're after. When one catches your eye, click the group's name to open its main page. Here, you'll see the description, the number of members, recent activity, and tabs for discussions and events. This page gives you a clear idea of what the group is about and how active it is. Take a moment to review the information. Look for recent posts, scheduled events, and any rules or guidelines. A consistent stream of discussions or announcements usually means the group is active and a good place to engage. If the group is public, you'll see a Join Group button, typically on the right side of the page. Click it, and you'll become a member right away. If the group is private, you'll see Request to Join instead. Click that to send your request and wait for approval from the group's admins or moderators. You'll be notified once they respond. After you join, you can jump into discussions, check out group activities, and see notifications for events and game sessions. It's a great way to find teammates, discover new games, and stay updated on community happenings. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.